Hello and welcome to the second part of our WordPress tutorial. We've already looked at setting up the graphics and the overall feel of our site, so now we want to get some stuff on it. We need some content. So the two words you need to understand here, and let's have a look inside our site now we've logged in. The two words you need to understand are pages and posts. Your pages are things that are always the same and always in the same place on the site, or pretty much anyway, like your home page, your contact us page. These things are still going to be current in a week or next month, so they're what we call pages, and typically these sit in your menu, this bit, remember? So if you're putting up news updates every day about, I don't know, what you had for breakfast, then this morning's breakfast report isn't going to be current next week, so that's a post. It's a web page that's date specific, and if you come back to the site in a month's time, you'd expect to see a new post in its place. So that's pages and posts. But you create them in exactly the same way. So let's go in and we'll create a page. So I go to pages and add new. And we get this. Now you can't miss here. Put your title in where it says title. This here is your text editor, and it works like every other text editor. Though actually it's even easier than that. Create your text in, say, Word with tables or whatever you like, and then use this button to just copy it in and paste from Word. How easy is that? So you go into Word, copy your text, come here, paste from Word. Now let's look at headings, because let's be honest, who wants to muck about changing the size, the font, the colour every time you need to make a headline? There's no need. You have 5 custom headlines built into the theme that you installed in the previous tutorial, and they're designed to have the right colours and the right look to fit in with the look of your site. So you just put your cursor on the line you want to change to a heading, select one of the headings from here, and there you go. Now they always look rubbish here in the editor, but remember the actual look is built into your theme. So to see how your heading will look, let's just click Preview. And it opens up a new window where we can check out how it looks, and I'm quite pleased with that. Right, so our words are looking good, so let's get a picture up. Now here I need to put in a button that will link to an online application form that we installed, but a graphic of a button, a photo of your mum, they're all the same as far as the computer's concerned, they can't tell the difference. So we just upload a graphic like a picture. So we click on here, and we get up the picture tools. Now we want to upload the picture here. It'll ask us to find the picture on the computer, or here you can insert from URL. That means you pull in a picture from another site on the internet. Now it's very handy if you're blogging very fast, but we don't encourage it because it means you can end up accidentally using pictures you have no legal right to, or the site whose image you're using could take it down, and then you've got a big ugly hole in your site. Even worse, it could be replaced by another image of the same name, and before you know it, you've got a shot of Miss Whiplash 2012 on your home cookery blog. So, best to use your own images. Upload it to your site from your computer if you can. It just gives you control over it. So, we've uploaded our picture, and the next thing to do is tell the computer where to put it. Now, we can set it to the left of the page, or the right of the page, or as we want, slap bang in the middle. Right, job done. Now you'll see we've got a lot of standard sizes here, or you can set it to come up as its original size, which is what we want here. Now, if you do nothing, all pictures in WordPress can be clicked on, and that will open a page with nothing on it except a full-size version of the picture itself. And that's because this link here, which tells the computer what page to go to if the picture's clicked on, is actually the location and name of the picture itself. So it opens itself up if you like. You can usually leave this because nobody much cares, but we want to use this as a button to take people to our application form page. So I'm just going to highlight all this blurb here and replace it with the link we want it to go to. And then just click Insert Picture. Now, while we're on the subject of linking to things, if you want to make a piece of text or a picture a link that will take people somewhere, there's a very straightforward way to do it without going into the picture tools like we've just done. Highlight the word you want to be a link, say the artist's name here. Click on this little chain link button here, and as you can see, we can set the link to take people either to a specific page on our site or a page on another site by pasting the URL, that little link here at the top. So we can make these pages interactive very easily. Now, let's have a look down the bottom here. We can either allow comments or not. If you're blogging or trying to get a conversation going, you may want this, but do beware. Comments boxes get spammed a lot. We don't want to bother with all that here, so we're just going to turn them off. Hit publish, and there we go. One new page made in minutes, and as you can see at the top here, it's automatically appeared in the menu, which is really handy. If we've made a custom theme for you here at WorldSite Media, then you'll have some boxes on the right which give you the choice of whether or not you want your page to appear in the menu or not. But usually it happens automatically. A quick word on menus. You can put a page inside another page on WordPress. What's he talking about? Look here. You can select one of your existing pages as a parent for this page. And that means on the site you get this nice little affair. So you can see here that when we made the pages called Artistic Process and Influencers, we set About the Artist as their parent page. That means only the parent page is on the main menu. The others appear in a drop-down menu when you hover over the parent. And it's a good way to stop your menu cluttering up. And that's it. That's how to make your pages. Posts work just the same, but there's a few things you need to know to make it all work properly. So in the next tutorial, we'll start talking posts, categories, and widgets.